Hello, this is an introduction to oil palm. In the 1400s, oil palm have evolved in West Coast and Central Africa. During the 1700s, it is in Mauritius, and 1847 in Indonesia and 1870 in Malaysia as an ornamental plant, and became a major plantation crop in 1905. The largest contributor of oil palm is from Asia, and Asia, when we speak of Asia, is mainly from Indonesia, Malaysia and Thailand, but between the three, the major one is Malaysia and Indonesia. The major producer of oil palm in Malaysia by the year 2004 is Felda, Golden Hope, IOI Corp, Guthrie, Sime Darby, KLK, Bosti and Treadwinds. Oil palm is from the family Araceae. It is the Ilais genus and Guineaceae species. So it have other species such as Ilais oleifera, Ilais odora, and the scientific name for oil palm is Ilais guineaceae. The common name for it is oil palm, kelapa sawit, dente, and it is originated from Africa. The economic life for oil palm starts to give productive bunches after 3 years of field planting, and the immature stage in the field is before 3 years, the first until the third year, and the mature stage in field is 4 years and above. So after 4 years, we can harvest the fruit that the oil palm produces, and a productive stage is around 25 years. So for 25 years, it can give many fruits. Yeah. And that is the introduction. And how to plant the oil palm. How about if we watch these videos?
Talk about general maintenance of oil palm. The first one is water management. The oil palm requires about 5 mm water per day. The source of water is rainfall and river. It gets 20% of the rainfall by its apex, branches and frond base. The next one is weeding. The function of weeding is to eradicate all noxious weeds with recommended herbicides in planting strips and circles. Type of weeding is manual weeding, per clipping LCC, circle spraying, selective spraying, lalang spraying, epiphyte poisoning. The third one is manuring. Is the proper fertilizer management is vital to attain efficient uptake, high yield, and maximizing profitability. Types of fertilizers is straight fertilizer, mixture fertilizer, compound fertilizer, control release fertilizer, and the final one is organic fertilizer. Now the fourth one is maintenance in pest and disease management. Method that is applied in integrated pest management, that is IPM, is biological control, cultural control, chemical control, mechanical control, and physical control. Now the final one about general maintenance is ablation. It is the practice of removing the developing male and female inflorescences during the immature yield. Is called ablation, castration, debudding, and deflowering. The purpose of ablation is to diverting nutrients from the production of uneconomic food branches into vegetative growth, improve palm vigor development for better root system.
Is Muhammad Irfan bin Muhammad Irwadi. Today, I will tell you guys about variety of oil palm. Okay, first, variety of oil palm is Wispera. Wispera has no shell, absent of endocarp. Ring of fibers around shell is quite small. Height ratio of mesocarp to total fruit size. Height content of oil in the mesocarp. Used as male parent. For Dura variety, percent of mesocarp to fruit is usually 35 to 65%. Thick endocarp shell 2 to 8 mm or 25 to 55% total fruitlets, as no ring fibers around it. Kernel usually large 7 to 20%. Low oil content 17 to 18% mesocarp to bunch weight. Used as female parent in breeding programs. Okay, for Tenera. Tenera is cross-pollination of Dura with Piscifera. Planted on large scale. Thin endocarp or shell 0.5 to 4 mm or 1 to 32% of total fruitlets, around which is a ring of fiber. Kernel content is 3 to 15%. Height ratio of mesocarp to fruit at 60 to 95%. Bunch size is smaller but produce more fruit bunches than Dura palm. Ratio of oil to bunch is 22 to 24%. Okay.
Pest and disease. Integrated pest management (IPM) utilizes all suitable techniques and methods of pest control to suppress pest levels to those causing economic damage. The pests are rhinoceros beetle, bagworm, letter caterpillars, and rats. The diseases are nasal leaf spot, blast disease, basal stem root, and white root disease. The first one is rhinoceros beetle. The rhinoceros beetle attacks seedling 18 to 20 months after field planting. They inflict damage by digging through those young shoots and feeding on soft sweet tissues. The second one is nectar caterpillars. It feeds on the top surface of the leaf, scraping the epidermis, and later cuts small pieces of leaflet to build its bag. The duration of larval stages can be up to 2 months. The third one is rats. They feed on developing pollinators. The unintended rat mutation can lead to 5 to 50% crop loss in 6 months, and rats will multiply from 60 per hectare to 200 per hectare. The fourth one is bagworm. The diseases are basal stem root, which causes severe foliar system damage, and they are mostly seen on the bottom parts of the palm. They also attack mature palms beyond age 10 years. The second one is nursery leaf spot. They appear on dark brown lesions on leaves. Controlling is by spraying with anthracol at 7 to 10 days intervals. The third one is the most serious disease, which is blast disease. It causes dull foliage with moisture stress symptoms. Leaves will die progressively. The last one is white root disease. It will result in poor anchorage and palm learning due to progressively rotten roots. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Mutuja. I am from M3 AT1102K. And today I'm representative from my group to talk about fertilizer for the oil palm. Okay, as a general, the fertilizer are divided into two, which is organic and inorganic. For an organic, we commonly we use for oil palm we use the compost material, and for inorganic we have chemical fertilizer, and mostly in oil palm we use chemical fertilizer such as NPK. The NPK have divided into two, which is NPK blue and NPK green. For NPK blue, the NPK blue is function for the growth or development of the fruit. Beside, the for NPK green is the development of fruit, development of the leaf, and also the development of the stem. That's all.
Hampir lelah, hampir jatuh diri ini, bila separuh semangat tiada di sisi. Tak mengapa